Hey guys, I'm Big Dave. I'm your tour guide for physical geography this semester. So I teach full-time at the College of the Sequoias. I've been there about 30 years. That's over in Visalia. And now I teach part-time also in San Luis Obispo at Cuesta College. So this is the classroom over at Cuesta. So I want to introduce somebody to you right now. This is my technical director. This is my son Jackson Howell, almost 16 years old, going to be a junior in Morro Bay High School. I have another son, Dylan, and he goes to Cuesta College. He's about 20 years old. Both of them played baseball. He's mad at me right now because I got better shoes than he's got. I got my Air Up Tempos. He's got some kind of hospital shoes here. I don't know what they are. He's trying to pump me for my shoes because we're about the same size now. But he's not getting them from me. You're not getting them. That's right. Get out of here. Anything goes wrong, the technical end of this, it's all his fault. I'm paying him to put this, help me put this all together. So let me tell you what we're going to do this semester. Physical geography. The first half of it's more like meteorology. We'll also do some entry-level stuff like time zones and latitude and longitude. But we're going to talk about relative humidity. We're going to talk about seasonality, why we have seasons. You're going to read about how to make it rain, right? And I'll show you one example of how to make it rain. You're going to read about tornadoes. You're going to read about hurricanes. The second half of the class is basically like a mini geology class. It's going to be about earthquakes and volcanoes and glaciers and rivers and coastal landforms and desert landforms. The textbook is Fundamentals of Physical Geography. You can get either the first edition or the second edition. I don't care, whatever is cheaper. You know, on half.com, Amazon. You can rent a book. You can download one online. Whatever works for you, whatever's the cheapest. But it's really important for this class that you probably get some sort of book, because a lot of this work, online version here, you're going to have to do yourself. So get an atlas too if you can. Any atlas is good. If you can find one, the cheapest one possible. You have a couple map assignments. 4 exams, 75 points each. Exams online, you're going to be writing out your vocabulary words, typing out your study guide for me, where I want you to type the questions and the answers. And we'll have a couple essay questions on each exam. Map assignments, 2 map assignments. You're going to download maps. I'll give you the links. You're going to fill out the maps. And you're going to write me a few paragraphs on a couple things. Pretty easy. Worksheets, there'll probably be 5 or 6 worksheets. Maybe worth 10 to 20 points, somewhere in that ballpark. Drop policy. If you're going to drop, be sure you do it. So I don't mess things up. I don't want a bad grade on your transcript. I'm hoping you won't drop, because really we're going to get through this together. I mean, take a look at the grades. 90% is an A, 80% is a B, but look at the C's. I want everybody through this with an A, B, or C. So I got the C's down to 66%. If you're really close at the end, not a couple percentage points away, but just a few points away, if you've tried real hard, I am going to go ahead and probably up your grade. Particularly if you're at a D. I need everybody up to at least a C. So we'll be working on Canvas. It's important that you use the college email, whether it's Cuesta if you're there, or College of the Sequoias. So it's important you check your email and you check your announcements too. Sometimes I put some fun things on there that you can check out. The rest of the stuff I think you can just read through, and I think we'll be okay with this stuff. So let's have a great semester. Try to have fun.